Hi guys, welcome back to Sophia's Yummy. So today what we're going to do is be making some Milky Tea, or in other terms Pakistani or Indian tea. So for this you're going to need half a cup of water in a small glass, 2 tea bags. You can use loose tea if you want. And then I'm going to add in 2.5 spoons of sugar. I am going to be making a few cups that are going to be drinkable, so sugar's to your preference. You can add less if you want to. And then what we're going to do is bring the water to a boil, and as you can see it's going to start changing colour, so keep stirring it as that happens. And then once it's brought up to a boil, you're going to see it go a nice red colour. So once it's gone to around this colour, just let it bubble a little bit more before you add some milk. With the milk, it can be depending on how many people you're wanting to serve. If you're wanting it just for yourself, then 1 cup of milk is enough. I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks. So I've added 1 cinnamon stick, broke it in half and put it into the water while it's boiling. The reason why I've put it into the water while it's boiling is because it will bring out more flavour. And at the end you can take these out if you want to, you can leave them in if you want to as well. And then we put in the milk once we've gave that a good stir, once the water's come to a boil. So I've put in half a cup of milk first, just to get the colour, and once you've added that milk in, you can let it bubble up. And like I say, if you are making 1 glass, add teeny bits of milk at a time. So bring the milk to a boil before you add more. Keep stirring as you go along. And then you can see your tea change colour. It brings a nice orangey colour, and in goes more milk after that. So at this stage you can put in as much milk as you want, because as you can see the milk has already been thickened up, so the tea is already very thick. Keep stirring it as you go as well, keep an eye on it. So with the gas it is on a medium heat, so keep it on a medium heat. If you do put it too high, there is a chance that all the milk can go over your gas and then you'll have lots of cleaning to do. So keep stirring the milk, and if you can see the thickness, I've brought it up close. It's starting to form bubbles on the top, so that after, once the tea cools down, will form a layer of something that we call a malai on top. So that is drinkable, or you can just push it to the side like I do. So once your tea is bubbled up, give it 2 or 3 times on the gas to let it go bubble before it spills. Then you can put it into a glass and you can serve it with biscuits, cake,